I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by locating the offender so you can remove the ads at the source. Open recent apps and then settings battery or apps to spot spikes. Once identified, force stop the app and disable its notifications so pop-ups cease immediately. If you're unsure, reboot into safe mode to run without third-party apps. Once done, confirm ads are gone. Make sure to note the app name before proceeding to removal or further inspection. Now you remove or fix the app and harden the device. Uninstall the offending app. If it's system level, disable it or revoke dangerous permissions like display over other apps. Then open Google Play, run Play Protect Scan, and update Play services and the Play Store so security rules apply. Also clear browser cache and cookies and check browser extensions or progressive web apps that can trigger full-screen ads. Once finished, finish by preventing recurrence and keeping the fix durable. Install a reputable ad blocker or use a privacy-focused browser with built-in blocking, then reset app preferences to clear hidden defaults. If intrusive ads persist, back up data and consider a factory reset as a last resort, because that removes deep malware. If things go wrong, boot into safe mode and check logs, or use Android's bug report to identify stubborn packages, and contact device support so you don't reinstall the same problem.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.